YouTube? What's good? We're back with another one. It's your boy Jalen Bussy, aka Big Bus, aka the biggest in the land. Y'all know me as Big Bus 2 Live. But man, listen, we've got a jam-packed weekend for y'all. It's your boy birthday weekend. We're celebrating the great escape of Jalen Bussy from the womb. I exited the womb on April 7th, 2001. The greatest escape of all time. You feel me? Ain't nobody doing it like I did it, you dig? So we're celebrating it. And my birthday falls on a Monday, so that means y'all get double the content because we got to celebrate the weekend before and we got to celebrate the weekend after. So just make sure you stay tuned the entire video, bro. As simple as that. You're going to enjoy the content. Let's get into it, man. Make sure y'all stay the entire video, bro. Run it up.
Yeah. OVO Sound 2025. Who's calling that shit?
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Welcome to the court, Texas.
See ya in Tampa, USC. I had TCU in this game, but I got the other side right. UCLA, UConn. I've got UConn winning, South Carolina winning today. South Carolina versus UConn in the championship on Sunday. But like I said, I got 3 out of the 4 teams right to see you in Tampa, so 75%. I'm doing good, you dig? This is part 1 of the birthday weekend. This weekend we're in Tampa. Next weekend we're in Atlanta. Part 1 of the birthday celebration. Let's run it up. We're at the Final Four today. South Carolina versus Texas. I've got the Cox winning. USC, go Cox, pause. But yes, go Cox. And they gave us good merch, man. You feel me? Good Capital One Final Four scarves. You know how we rock it, man. Good little eats in the booth. You know we got the vodka Sprite, man. Gotta have it. I'm more of a tequila guy. Those of y'all that know me, y'all know that. But good vibes, you know what I'm saying? Good birthday weekend. Alright, so at the half, South Carolina's up 38-35 into the first half. It's been a close game, low-key. It's been very close. We'll see. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. Keep running it up. We're almost at 200 subscribers, bro. We need to get there, like ASAP. So, like, send it to a friend. I've been telling y'all this for months. Send it to a friend. I don't know if y'all are actually doing it, but like, comment, and share. Send it with a friend. Let's get to 200 subscribers by the end of this video. By the end of my birthday, I need to be at 200 just for as a birthday gift. All right, so let's do that. It's the end of the third, going into the fourth. USC's up 58-44. Can USC punch another ticket to the chip? Game number 2, UConn giving belt. Up by 20 at half. By the looks of the way it's going, USC UConn, like I predicted already in the championship on Sunday. We'll see how this game finishes out.
All right, Super 2.
Tomorrow.
Tell my dog to put the betting down. He swear that he can make chicken.
I'm a locksmith, nigga.
What you say your shit called? KSD?
Locksmith KSD.
You talking about locksmith KSD? Don't mess with him. He swear he got locks. Every time I've tried to use his picks, it's been red. Always red.
What that color is?
He swear he got green beans. He don't got no green beans.
Bustin' with Buzz. Happy birthday, Buzz.
you talking about?
You subscribe?
They're not subscribed.
Oh my God! Make sure you subscribe with them. You know, bust
Like
with
and
us. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you subscribe.
Busty. Do it now.
We were vlogging in high school. Lexi probably heard.
Not subscribe.
I would be more famous.
You would be more famous, huh?
If I was vlogging in high school, I'd be more famous than him. So,
Lexi, we don't know you.
We're pushing.
hi, I'm Lexi.
Nobody knows you.
Pushing 200 subs.
Busty knows me.
I do know
300,000 subs.
What's
up, man? What's up?
Yes.
Right. Where we going? Stop sign?
The stop sign's
We
cool.
going right to Lifetime.
You see it?
You know what I'm
Right to the Lifetime in the
Dread.
black truck. Shout out Jay.
Shout out Jay, brother.
Shout
Every
out
time I
Jay.
see anybody strangle or shit out there, I'm gonna be there.
Strangle's crazy.
They go left.
Hey, we appreciate that. Kenny doing his signature picture today, bro. Y'all know what it is. In Tampa Bay. Big birthday weekend, we outside, man. If y'all wasn't on the TikTok live, y'all wrong.
Outside.
Outside, guys, look at who we found. It's Courtney. I'm not gonna at you though. You got that already.
I'm doing what? This is Jalen.
That you got like. Hey, chat. Look, I'm gonna drop her at. Should I drop it? Yes or no? Look at him, bro. He just found. I don't know.
Whoa, do you see this? I took a couple pictures. I don't give a fuck.
It comes so quick. I don't know how it happened.
I only care about my goddamn self.
I feel like they might have had something there. There's a reason why she said that out of the blue.
Fucking want your face so much.
She always hating. I don't know what she hating on, but
I'm hating on
it's
my
my
oily.
birthday weekend though, so I'm lit right now. Monday.
Okay, guys.
All right,
You want me to hold it for 5, 6? You go this way. No, go that way. You can go lower. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Go lower, bitch.
Chat, I'm bleeding. Chat, I'm bleeding.
Chat, he's
She made me bleed. Chat, and they slid. I did that for what? I'm drunk. That's proof. I did it for what? That's me acting out of character. I'm not gonna lie to you. Y'all just caught it in HD. Look at me, bro. I'm leaking. I don't even think I can put that on YouTube.
Busting with bus to the bus and police.
They don't have an ambulance. There's no ambulance here. There's no ambulance.
He bleeding. He didn't want to know. I don't mean to record you like that, for real, for real. But
y'all have an
he want to know if
ambulance?
you got fuck ambulance.
Do you have
fuck that. Shut up. You can go to jail. You got a Band-Aid.
I can go to
Fuck
jail.
my nigga. Not jail, but like the ambulance. He don't want to pay that bill. It's $12.
I don't want to pay the bill. I just
got a
need like
Band-Aid. Is how y'all cock are.
Band-Aid.
Band-Aid.
There you go, Band-Aid.
My nigga got one. He right here got one.
Where y'all from? We're from Maine. What the fuck are y'all doing here? We're hanging out with the women.
Yeah, I'm from Maine.
What you mean? We got some bad.
We with the women.
You feel me? Tampa got the baddest. You already know what it is.
A few moments later.
We back in the cut, man. Road trip.
Y'all know what the fuck going on, man.
Yo, that boy Snipe. Hey, we on the way to the A.
They know what's going on.
We at pit stop 1, nigga.
This the only one, cause that was all I need is one. Come on. Here,
Give me some snacks. Why you holding it like that?
They almost said shit.
Huh?
Said,
What you talking about narrow? What I'm finna get from the... My mouth is a little dry though, no cap. Let me see. We finna get us... a Pop-Tart. Pop-Tart would be smooth. I think that's gay. A lot of people eat the pickles.
why you touching the pickles then, bro? Why you worry about them eating the pickles?
Like, shouldn't sunflower seeds be like right here?
Nigga think we had a baseball game, nigga.
It's a long drive, bro.
Fucking baseball game. I need a lot of snacks.
You didn't even buy no snacks, man.
It don't matter.
What you get?
Hey, these the best chips out now. These two, both of them.
I thought about getting
But
them.
these
Don't
the
stick
best
in my
ones.
teeth, though.
These the best ones. Let me see.
They be sticking
What
in
kind
your
of teeth
teeth?
you got?
What does that mean?
They got gaps in this shit.
Where the hot Cheetos at, Chad? Look, there's no hot Cheetos.
Hot Cheetos.
There's none.
These the closest thing to hot Cheetos.
Bro, I'm not eating those. What are those?
I think you should get them.
No, bro, I'm not.
Get
This is
them,
not a trial run.
try something
No,
new.
This is not a trial run, bro.
See?
He know he wouldn't eat them either, so I don't know what he's talking
nigga
about.
rich, bro, and he don't want to try nothing new. Well, if I was rich like him, nigga, I'd try everything. That boy, man.
Chat, no more stops, Court. No cap.
Let me remind y'all though, bro. When like rich people just do anything, bro. Let me see this. Like, what is this, bro?
We're going to Atlanta, chat.
That nigga said we're going to Atlanta.
5 hours. Court, you better lock. Oh, 5 hours.
You know I'm be sleep.
You is, and I told you we was gonna have this Atlanta traffic too.
I sleep, nigga.
Polo G, Lil TJ, trash, bro. If you like Polo G, Lil TJ, the only people I know who like them is from like Minnesota area.
Trash. Y'all heard the man. Turn on some boss, man.
You can't sell me.
The youngest sitting in the car cause he can't get the ball in here. Hey, one of those niggas.
I'll go ahead and tell that boy Court to go to sleep, bro. He over here fighting it, bro. What are you fighting it for? We just now getting to Jacksonville, Tallahassee.
We almost there.
No, we almost in Georgia. Did you pray today? That's my question. Did you pray today? Yo, make sure you say your prayers. I said mine.
Nigga, I ain't want to go to sleep. They can go to pull the camera out.
He finna go to sleep. Cause I know you finna go to sleep. So just go ahead and go to sleep. I'm gonna check back in with y'all when he go to sleep. Watch. I bet you he go to sleep. We are now in Georgia. We have crossed the state lines. Courtney's over there knocked out like I said he would be. But we have made it to Georgia. Thank you, Jesus, for safe travels into the state. May we finish it safely. And we're almost there. The one thing I hate about driving in the car, one, it takes too long. Two, my lips dry because I don't even know why. The AC. And the way my lungs operate in the AC, it never works. You feel me? So, you feel me? Gasp for air. You feel me?
Yeah, you know, we made it. We made it to our final destination.
Good seeing y'all.
You got it.
Good seeing y'all.
I don't know.
Look Dominic. He's finna be. Live in the flesh, Kobe Johnson, man. Welcome to the channel, bro.
We here. You know what I'm saying?
We him. Go ahead and tell us the signature Kobe. What the fit cost, man?
Shit, about a rack. Where you want to start?
You want to go from the bottom up?
Bottom up. We got the P6000s Platinum, about a rack. Hold on, we went Tommy Sock today. Tommy Socks, about a rack. We got vintage, thrifted sweatpants on today. Atlanta Braves repping the home team. About a rack, of course. Red Nike hoodie. My auntie got me this. She told me it was about a rack. He said, hold on. Here you go, right here, you go. We got another vintage high school tee from my parents' house. You know what I'm saying? You want to guess how much that cost? About a rack.
What y'all think Don Jones finna bowl, bro?
I'm easily over 100 every time.
Are y'all taking the over or the under on Don Jones, bro?
Over 100 every time.
Over 100.
Over 100 every time.
Lock your boy in. I'm gonna say I'm about to hit a smooth like 117. 117 on that. Not the first one, the second one though. Cole, what you finna hit? On the second one, not the first
game,
one.
I want 130.
130? Court.
170, 170, 200, 3.
He lying, bro, but hey, that's what y'all think. We gonna let y'all know over or under right now. What y'all think we finna hit? That's the one right there. Over all that searching. You feel me? That's the one.
Real ratchet bitches. I see all these girls and they looking so thick, but I got real racks to get. Real racks to get. Rico and Max to be. Guess I sleep in design. Eating my cereal with ice that's diamonds. Sewing on me and breakfast, I'm shining. Johnny Hawk, Lord, Uzi be grinding. Dominate Pissy and Issy rap Simons. I'ma be Liddy all way till I'm 50. No matter if that's Issy, she try and get with me. She suck at Daytona and every time that she go deep, though they feel like they hit me. At the least, it's a burst, I don't do no semi. Like, I don't think a purse can hold all these new bands. Like, racks look so dumb in my pants. I got so much, like I need a suitcase. Like, I'm the type of nigga beat my case. And the motherfucking judge never saw my face. Listen up now. I know it's some niggas that think I'm a clown. That's cool, this money can, I'ma get you down. Bitch, we in Philly with 3,000 rounds. Nobody wanna smoke, we got beef out of town. Niggas be like, why you always out of town? Shit, I'm on the jet with this pound. You know verse line, but you fit. This is a little jump, feel like a blind. Okay, let's talk about the pick. I got
Look like this on this screen. Snipe with about 40, 42. I got 46. Dom with 31. I got 46 something.
Hey, like I said, nigga, next game is what matters, nigga. You came in last, cuz.
Put the camera on that nigga.
You came in last. That boy Dom.
Don't let me get another one. 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 Hey, niggas had a lot to say. Niggas had a lot to say. Now look at that. Niggas had a lot to say. Now look at this.
Want that?
He better not hit this. You ain't gonna hit it though. No pressure. The moment too big. Moment too big. Moment too big for the kid. You see it though. Kobe first. The boy got second. Court came in last though.
Hey, bro, hey, this the one that matter though. Y'all better come. Yeah, everything.
My mouth been dry. Good bev. Mouth been dry. We out here bowling. Who y'all think gonna win this game, bro?
If I was a betting man, I'd pick me. If I was a betting man.
Don't bet on Court though. He just came in last. Y'all don't even know it. Take the over and the under.
That was a warm up, bro. Y'all niggas try hard and warm up.
I don't even know where we going.
This road trip to Athens?
Road trip to wherever. But just know.
We do need to hit that liquor store.
Know
Put that in the. Oh, it's closed?
Not all of them.
Y'all, we going to Athens, Georgia, bro. University of Georgia. We on the way, man. Man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Simple as that. Don't do it because I told you to, but like if you feel like this is something that you fuck with, like, comment, subscribe, bro. No, you can't get in. This 418 weekend. 418 back in it.
418 weekend.
Part 2 of the birthday weekend. Hey, I told you I was going to 2 cities for my birthday weekend, and look, oh, we in Atlanta, Georgia, Athens, Georgia. We on the way, bro. Run it up.
Hey, bro.
Hey, bro, go check out No You Can't Get In. If you want to see the rest of that video, look, behind the scenes for real. I don't know. Hey, go check it out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Run No You Can't Get In up, bro. Let's do this.
Yeah. Oh, I'm saying they finna watch it right now.
Oh, they haven't clicked on the video yet?
Nah, I think they probably clicked on it.
They clicked on
already.
it? Okay, just making sure.
If they ain't click on it, they click on it then.
Just click on the video, bro. Just do it.